This tutorial is for first grade, Module 4, Lesson 16. In this lesson, we're going to see that sometimes when we add numbers, we end up making a 10 from our ones, and we have to include that 10 with other 10s in the problem. For example, let's start with 16 plus 3. I'm going to do these problems using the quick 10 way, meaning I'm going to show 16 as a 10. That's going to be a stick. That represents 10. And then 6 ones. So I'll draw 6 ones. I'm going to group them in 5s here so we can see the 6 better. And now I'm going to add 3 to that. For the 3, I'm going to use X's. To figure out my final answer, I see I still have my group of 10, and now I have 9 ones, a group of 5, and 4 more. So 16 plus 3 is 19. Now let's see how that changes when we add 17 plus 3. I'll draw my 10 the quick 10 way again, and this time I'll draw 7 for the 17. Do a group of 5 and then 2 more, and now I'm going to add 3 to that, so I'll draw my 3 X's. When I do that, now you can see I have 2 groups of 5, or 10 here. So when I added the 3, that made another group of 10. That means that 17 plus 3 gives me 2 groups of 10, or 20, and no ones left over. Here's another example. Now I am adding 18 plus 20. So I'll draw my 18 as a 10 and a group of 8. To that I'm going to add 20. So I'm going to add 2 10s. The drawing represents my total. So I'm going to ask, well, how many ones do we have? We have the 8 ones that came from the 18. We don't have any other extra ones. So I'll put down 8 from the 18. And now I have 1, 2, 3 groups of 10. So 18 plus 20 is 38. The next problem, let's do 31 plus 8. I'll start by showing 31 as 3 groups of 10 and 1. And I'll add 8 ones to that. So I'll draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now you can see we have 3 groups of 10 and 9 ones. So 31 plus 8 equals 39. Let's show 2 more problems here. I have 23 plus 7. So I'll show 23 as 2 10s and 3 ones. To that I'll add 7. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That gives me a group of 10. So now when I add 23 plus 7, that gives me 3 groups of 10. 23 plus 7 is equal to 30. And 17 plus 3. 17 is 1 10 and 7 ones. To that I'll add 3 more ones, and we can see again we have a group of 10. So I'll draw a line through that to show it's a group of 10. So 17 plus 3 gives me 2 groups of 10, or 20. The last section says try these 2 problems using quick 10 drawings or number bonds, so I'll do one of each. For 32 plus 7, I'm going to use a number bond. I'm going to break the 32 into 30 and 2. Now I can think about my ones. I'm going to combine the 2 and the 7. That gives me 9 ones, and then I still have the 30, or the 3 10s. So 32 plus 7 is 39. For 13 plus 20, I'll use the quick 10s. So 13 is a 10 and 3 ones. To that I'm going to add 2 groups of 10. So altogether I can see 3 groups of 10 and 3 ones. That tells me that 13 plus 20 equals 33.